We are about to go into the river with my crazy boy here, Randy. He says we have to cross through here because this is the way. So I don't know, but here we go. Ay. Oh my goodness gracious. Ay, Dios mío. Ay, Dios mío. Randy, over there is so deep. You see it? Oh my God.
Where do we get out at?
I don't know. It's really deep. You are crazy. Oh my God. That way?
I think so.
The water is coming in the jeep. Oh my God. Where are you going now? For what? Where are you going?
Because it's a little buoyant.
Oh, so we're going back?
Yeah.
Tell him to go.
Oh, there's a big spider right there.
Oh, wow.